All right, give me your best waterfall sound.
My best water. Oh. Weak.
What's up, guys? It's Brian with WaterScape. We're out here in Ann Arbor. We just finished up the first Pondless of the season. The sun's finally come out here in March. Check this out. So this Pondless, we used our medium Pondless kit. We can create a river up to 16 feet with this. It goes into a basin. 2,000 to 4,000 gallon per hour pump. You can set the variable speed on your phone using the new app. You can control it from Wi-Fi and also from your phone any place. So it's really cool to adjust it. You can set timers, turn on and off right from your phone, even if you're not next to the water feature. When we got to this yard, there was a pergola that had a ground that was sloping away from the pergola on it. So what we did is we envisioned bringing in a bunch of dirt. We brought in some rocks. We strapped in the rocks. Summer nights will be awesome underneath this pergola. They can enjoy LED lit waterfalls, the running water, open up some windows at night, get some great sleep with this soothing sound from the waterfall. To find out more about WaterScape, hit that subscribe button, check out WaterScape.biz, or call 734-944-ROCK. Thanks for watching.